This video is going to be on an incredible pen transformation trick where the pen at first changes into a playing card and the playing card then changes into a coin, and that happens in the blink of an eye. And all of this is done by using sleight of hand, which means the objects will be ungimmicked and these are going to be examinable by the spectator while you're performing it. And not only that, this trick is actually a combination of two tricks which I've already taught you before. The first trick is the pen transformation where the pen changes into a playing card, and the second trick is the card transformation where the playing card changes into the coin. So in this trick we're going to be putting both of this together, and since the techniques are almost the same, I'm not going to explain everything in details. I'm just going to show you in brief how you're going to put both of these tricks together, and I'm also going to link you to the separate tricks in the description box below so that you can go and check out these tricks in depth if you need to. So saying that, let's see how you can do this combined trick. Now, as I told you, this trick is a combination of both the tricks. Then for that reason we have to palm multiple objects while doing this trick. So for the grip, for the starting grip, all you need to do is you need to hold the playing card as you used to hold in the card transformation, the pen transformation where the pen changes into the playing card. So you hold the card like that with the ring finger and with all these three fingers right over here. You hold the card like that, and then you have this coin and you actually have it right in between the fingers over here. So these are the two things that you're already palming with the left hand, or the hand where you're going to produce the other objects, because on the right hand, or for my other hand, I'm actually going to vanish the pen from there where I'm going to do the flip stick move and the snap change move. So if you don't know the flip stick move, it's kind of like this. You hold the pen like that and then you use your middle finger in order to pull the pen backwards, and then if you do it from a correct angle, it looks like that the pen has completely disappeared, and you also have to do it fast. So anyways, what I'm trying to tell is, after you have palmed the card over here with this finger formation and the coin over here just between these two fingers, all you have to do is, at first while you're transforming the pen to the card, you're doing the flip stick move while going down with the pen. And as you're doing the flip stick move, you're also opening up the card by pressing the card over here with your thumb and opening up your ring finger. So if you open up both of these fingers, you keep these two fingers joined because the coin will otherwise fall down. So when you do this, the card actually comes out like that. And then at the same time, you also do the flip stick move, which makes it look like that the pen has somehow changed into a playing card. And then all you do is you take that card, and before you turn your hand entirely where the spectator can see the coin is present, all you do is, as you go to turn the hand, you come over here and cover up this hand with the card so that the spectators can't see the coin is over here. And then all you do is, basically, after you come over here, you drop the card onto the coin just like that, and you also leave the coin under the card, otherwise the card will be rising just like that on the palm because the coin will keep it in a vertical stance, something like that. So basically, while you're dropping the card onto the hand, you're also dropping the coin onto the hand. So you drop the card and the coin onto the hand and you show the spectator like that. And when the spectators are concentrating on this card, all you're doing is secretly dropping the pen into your pocket. So your right hand goes down by the side of your body, and it goes down like a natural hand should, like a natural movement, or maybe you can say it's kind of like the resting position of a hand. When a person is not doing anything and his hands are by the side of his body, it should look like that. So you drop your hands by the side of your body, and at the same time you also ditch the pen in your pocket. So the spectator's attention will be over here while you ditch the pen in your pocket, and then you know that the coin is over here and the card is over the coin. All you do at this point is you grab the card and you actually push the card to this point where the coin is actually on this end. So the card's short corner, if I'm doing the snap change from the right side, then for you the right side short corner of the card and the bottom side, that is the side that is towards you, that long side, will be the side where the coin should actually come to. So over here, when you push the card up to this point, before exposing the coin, you use your thumb to just pinch the coin and pick it up along with the card. And then all you do is basically you hold the coin and the card like that, and then use your other fingers in order to do the snap change. Now if you're not secured, or if you're not feeling so much confident while doing the snap change in an exposed view like that, or with just one hand, you can use the other hand as a cover, just like that. And as soon as you do it, all you do is basically you drop the coin right over here, and then the card that is present over here, it's actually pumped in the Tenkai pump position, and you drop the hand by the side of your body, ditching the card into your pocket. And also while you do that snap change, don't do it straight away to the face of the spectator. If you're doing it with the right hand, move your right body towards the spectator. That I've already mentioned in that other video where I've taught you this exact trick. Move your right hand towards the spectator, that way the card actually hides perfectly right over here. And then as you drop it and you Tenkai palming, you ditch it in your pocket while the spectators are looking at the coin. After that, you can give the coin to the spectator in order to examine it. So that's the trick, and that's how you're going to put both of these things together. But there is also another technique, a second technique for this. While you're performing this with signed coins and signed cards, it's going to be a little different, and I'm gonna make that video if you guys like this video. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe, because that is going to help me create a lot more amazing contents like this one. And anyways guys, thanks for watching. Peace.